Merry Christmas! December 25th, our last little vlog of the year. I hope you all had a wonderful day. We have had a perfect day. So I got up at 6 just because I wanted to tinker and get kind of more breakfast prep done. Woke the kids up at 9, and then the rest of the family came over. Lots of beautiful, very thoughtful presents happened. I got a harmonica, and I'm so excited about that. I mentioned it once upon a time to Dan, like, you know what, I'd really like to get a harmonica, and he remembered that, and I was so surprised. So yeah, we had a lot of fun, and then just a nice lazy day. I finished my book. We ate chips and chocolate. There was naps. You know, just all the stuff that is so nice to do on Christmas Day. So I hope you all had a wonderful one. A little peek at our breakfast this morning. I just took a nice bubble bath. I got my new Goose hoodie on that Dan got me. It's like one of my favorite bands. So I'm just in my cozies. And we're gonna head over to Mom's and have a big turkey dinner, and then come home, and I will be going straight to bed. But I wanted to do day 25 for Advent. And I named it Santa's Workshop. And here it is. It's got a little bit, it's got a very peachy pink base, but a little bit of everything included in this last and final part of the Advent, the big sock skein. So thank you again to everybody who got my Advent this year. And Happy New Year, all that fun stuff. Have a wonderful day. It is like so dark out already. It's crazy. I've got a little lamp over there, so I'm gonna go get my Christmas crackers together, where I don't know how many other people do that tradition where you pull the crackers. There's always a hat, a joke, and like a little toy, silly toy of some sort inside. So I'll bring that, and yeah, we're gonna head over to Mom's and have a big feast. I can't wait. It's my favorite. The dressing, the gravy, cranberry sauce, all of it, turkey. So goodbye everybody until January. I'll see you all soon. Okay. Bye.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I